Creating and updating openings with ConVoid is an easy and straightforward process. We recommend you create an empty coordination model and add all MEP, architectural, and structural models into it. First, we select all relevant MEP, architectural, and structural models that we want to use to create openings. We are simply reloading previously linked ones here. Afterwards, we define the section scope ConVoid should use for the creation of openings. Remember, only what is visible will be used for ConVoid's calculations. We click on the ConClass ribbon tab and choose Convert Void. In the following dialog, we create a new filter for the disciplines we want to create openings for. We are choosing HVAC and Plumbing. ConVoid always needs host elements and reference elements to work. This is ConVoid's core principle. So in this dialog, we choose the reference elements of the openings. These are the elements that will penetrate. In this example, ducts and their accessories. Since we are also taking into account plumbing, we are also choosing pipes and pipe insulations. Then, we need to specify the host elements that will receive openings. Since we want to create horizontal openings as well as vertical ones, we are choosing walls, floors, roofs, and stairs as our host elements. When we click on the wrench icon, we can change additional parameters and, for example, tell ConVoid to join openings if their distance is less than a certain value. Or we can set rounding up behavior for opening dimensions. After clicking OK, we click on the bent arrow icon to apply our selection to the models. Afterwards, we choose Opening Mode and give an oversize. For the parameter filter of rectangular and circular openings, we are choosing all reference elements, so ConVoid will consider them all. ConVoid offers a parameter transfer function, which comes in very handy, since openings require various pieces of information for different purposes, such as a fire rating for fire safety, material information for quantity takeoff, or MEP system information for construction. So for the parameter transfer, we choose to transfer from reference element to openings in the first section. In our example, we will choose the system abbreviation parameter to be transferred. In the Host to Openings section, we will choose the fire rating parameter to be transferred from the host elements to the openings. Afterwards, we click OK and save our settings. When we click on OK Now, the openings are being created based on our settings. You can view the openings either in 3D or in 2D. So let's now say the plumbing model has changed and the openings need to be updated, a process that is intuitive and straightforward with ConVoid. To update the openings, we simply relink and reload the new model via Revit's project browser. Afterwards, we click on Convert Void again and update the openings just like we did the creation before. ConVoid's color filter will indicate the changed openings with the color yellow. In the changelog, you will find details about just how the opening was updated exactly. In our example, the width was changed from 1,471 mm to 1,075 mm. Refer to our detailed ConVoid guide or help section for further information.